member kay habagat. You can notice ang mga bawd kusog kayo. This is the Lawis Point. That's the tip of Lawis Point. We haven't been there really, but for swimmers, bawal daw dito dapita kay kusog ang sog. Kusog ang current, madamo sa current, so they advise to swim just here near the shore. Although the sand here is not really white, but the water is clear. Labi na dili bawd-bawd asong to na. Labi na if dili bawd-bawd. Okay ra kayo. So this is pahunas naman, so daghan kayo sa sagbot, but if taog kay okay siya. I even saw fishes swimming in the nearby parts of water. So here you can see the mountains over there sa south. So I think it belongs to Barangay Poblacion. You just need to ask where Mahayahay Beach is or Lawis Point. You can also ask for the landmark Captain O Resort. Kana siya. Some of the members of Sabay will be joining, as well as some free divers that are from the area. So see you soon, guys. Please do help. Kailangan kay basura ka na. See you. Christopher, taga-asa ka? Asa dapit?
Lawis.
Taga diri juga sa Lawis. Every kanos amo mag-practice dire?
Kada adlaw.
Kada adlaw? Whole year ba mo mag-practice dire? Naray panahon? Unsa man?
Season sa habagat.
Kanos amo na?
June until November.
June until November. So, dili gay ni bawo direct outside ana na panahon. Okay. Namoy grupo? Unsay ngan?
Chibanyans.
Ha?
Chibanyans.
Chibanyans namoy page? Facebook page? Sige, pangitaon to. Pila mo ka buok?
More than 20.
More than 20. Ya, puro ragon mo taga Lawis? Dili? Or napailain na sityo?
Kanisa kaning Marvin.
Lawis mo kasagaran di ay? dili te?
65.
65. Yung pizza?
Ang small, upsell pizza
Ako pang
65.
ganila.
65 ba? 65 Japan.
So, unsa flavors available sa inyong pizza?
Naray Hawaiian, pepperoni, vegetarian. Ako ay si Narly, ang owner sa Narkis Pizza. Anyway, salamat na ikang ma'am, Margaret, nga naami chance kay kami dito diri sa Lawis Point. For the meantime, naarami diri kay dili ko for now dili pa ako maka-afford for bigger expenses like mag-rent og dako nga mga commercial. So naa kami diri sa Lawis for now. Every weekend, mostly every weekend, naatanan ang among mga favorite food like lasagna, spaghetti, baked spaghetti. Yes, this way I forget that. And then, of course, the number one, our best seller is shawarma. And then, solo pizza, only affordable prices, only 65. You can choose the flavor like pepperoni, Hawaiian, vegetarian, or you can choose whatever you want to put in the toppings. Delivery along Argao, free lang me. Then out of Argao, charge me of 20 pesos. O layo pa jud, pwede na nato sabutan.
So, what time gani ka mudawat mag-order te?
Mag-open ni 11, maghinahinay na diri ang akong mga assistant nga duha, akong anak ug ang ayang asawa. Naaintoy duha ka bata. And then ako move forward ako diri about 2 to 3 o'clock kay mag-busy na gyud mi. Right now naa si ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sige, so, namoy Facebook page?
Yeah, visit our Narkis page, Narkis Pizza and other delights. Visit lang kay naara dito ang akong mga promo. Sometimes nami promo. Actually, naasad mi promo day karong Father's Day. Hello, Father's Day. Sa Father's Day, pwede ko maka-buy 2 plus 1.
Sa any product?
Pizza lang, ma'am.
Pizza. Okay,
Pizza. Buy 2 12-inch pizza plus free 1 pizza.
Sige.